So after being in hype for almost 6 months, Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra has finally made an appearance on the official website of Samsung, and undoubtedly, they did it again. I mean, the handset looks much better in real life, and particularly the Mystic bronze color variant is absolutely epic. Also, as you can see, the device sports a matte finish instead of the shiny one, so Samsung is definitely stepping up the game to compete iPhones in every factor. They even added those camera rings similar to the iPhone 11 Pro, and spoiler alert, they do look fantastic, but at the end of the day, they aren't anything like render suggested. In simple words, there's more of a chrome finish going on instead of the glossy or the shiny one. Also, you can spot the periscope zoom camera, which has a very important role to play in here. Moving on, Ice Universe says that the camera focusing problem has completely been solved on Note 20 series, so you can expect some crispier shots this time without the lack of details. The one problem that's still there is that the phone will not operate at 120Hz refresh rate when the maximum resolution is turned on. It's similar to the problem that we face on Galaxy S20 Ultra, and I find it very unusual, but because the leaker isn't 100% aware of this situation, we must leave it to Samsung for now. Next up, Ice Universe has also shared the screen protectors of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and while Galaxy Note 20 phones will have a punch hole cutout, the only difference is that the diameter of the hole is 1mm less than the Note 10 Plus, and even the bezels have gone through a major trimming, so you'll most probably notice the screen covering the front of Note 20 phones, and more in the case of Ultra model because it still retains the curved display. Comparison between Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra isn't just about display, instead it remains true on the back of these phones, which is why we have Ice Universe to confirm the differences with the help of these cases. You see, the camera module on Note 20 Ultra is much bigger than Note 20, and obviously it's because we have a 108MP camera and a periscope zoom camera on the Ultra model. He also says that Note 20 Ultra's copper color is a bit pink and it's a frosted glass, so a lot of users will find it new and eventually like it, but at the same time, I believe Samsung will release a glossy one too, because there are people who love a bit of shine to their premium phone, and I don't see the company will leave them out, ultimately affecting the sales. The Galaxy Note 20 series, Fold 2, Z Flip 5G, and even the Tab S7 will use Snapdragon 865 Plus, which is a very capable SoC that can do over 3 GHz of clock speed, and I think Samsung is making this move to steal the title from Apple's A14 Bionic chip on iPhone models this year, because they're supposed to do the same thing and most probably boast about it. Last but not the least, Evan Plus revealed on Twitter that the Galaxy Watch 3 will have 9 different configurations depending on the size, color, and the material being used, that is titanium or stainless steel. The pricing for this watch will range between $400 to $600, which is pretty expensive because of the upgrades we are getting on Watch 3. That said, let me know your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace.